Hey, thank you for tuning in to an episode of This, That, and the Other. Got a product I want to review for you. I carry a lot. A lot of people ask me what's my EDC carry. I want to review a product that has made that for me so much easier, and that's Hyve Technologies. Go ahead and show you these. This is a Glock 42 and a 43. Hyve Technologies makes accessory parts for these weapons. Go ahead and show you, make sure. Okay. Safety check. I like to safety check both weapons. So, both safety checked. First and foremost, I'll go ahead and talk about the +2 extensions. They make +1, +2, and in some cases +3 extensions. Started off with Glock, kind of expanded from there. You can get it for just about every type of carry weapon now. But these are milled out of aluminum. They come in various colors. They fit, they have a good look and feel. They extend the grip, and they don't change the angle of the weapon itself. You can see here. In here close and show you too some of the other features of this I like. I've got a Hyve trigger and an extended release in both my 42 and 43. It makes a world of difference. This trigger, it's a flat trigger. Go ahead and zoom that in. You can see right there, and they come in multiple colors. Like I said, different color combinations. And again, safety checked, nothing there. And so on this one, on the 42, you can see there's a mag release extension. I went with black and red on this one, and there's the other side. You can see how that extender extends out just enough really for you to get your thumb on it. So, and as far as the trigger pull, I've used Hyve Technologies for a little over a year now. I have been super happy with their products. I will definitely buy again. And if it's something you're looking to, if you're looking to make your everyday carry a little bit better, a little bit more convenient, I would highly suggest picking up a +1, +2, extended mag release, and or a trigger combination. You can check their website, you can check on eBay, they have an eBay store. But thumbs up, good product.